This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Terrace Cooper. Welcome home to Florida life. This open concept floor plan boasts 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Envision yourself and walk with me through the front door and you're greeted with an open concept main living area with the kitchen overlooking the living room and dining room, which currently is being used as a home office. The kitchen window looks out to the peaceful backyard. As we leave the main living area, we walk down the hall to 2 generously sized bedrooms and 2 full baths with stand-up showers.No tubs to get down on your hands and knees to clean.As we leave the separate bedroom area and we walk back through the main living area. Off the dining room, we have the 1-car garage where you will find your laundry and the hot water heater, so easily accessible. With the laundry in the garage, it will help keep the dryer heat out the home's living space. We also have the screened-in lanai with vinyl windows and good-sized backyard with a shed, ample room to add a pool.Plenty of room to add a pool. Quiet, NoHo, a neighborhood in Kenneth City. Please click on virtual tour link for a walkthrough tour. Come see it today before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Terrace Cooper at 727-244-5645.